Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Budapest. We're in an Airbnb for a couple of nights in a part of the city which looks like it's got quite a lot of character. A lot of different coloured buildings.
I mean, obviously the colour's different, but the balconies are different as well.
We're going to shoot some photos today, the sun's out. We're going to check out what's around us by taking 6 photos on the Nikon L35af each. I'll take 6, then Jake will take 6. We're on the Fuji Color 200 by the way. Let's go. Just figuring out the best way to frame this and if I'm actually going to be able to get tight enough. Quite basic, but I feel like on the Fuji 200 it'll look nice because the colours aren't too overpowering.
I've shot like 2 pictures with this camera in the past and both times I've been fairly drunk, so we'll see how we go. Yeah, I'm going to try and shoot a little bit different. I want to have a lot of empty space. I'm a big fan of that. And yeah, I just want to see what happens. So let's have a gaze. The power line is held up by pretty much a concrete slab. But I'm going to try and have it on the left of the frame. Hey, very good. Although I said I didn't want to shoot symmetry, I have to shoot this because it's just, you know. Okay, so I'm actually not going to go for symmetry. I'm going to try and get the door handle here on the left of the frame and kind of shoot through that hole.
Oh, nothing flash about this car.
See, I like that.
But just the arrangement of colours is what's doing it for me. Gonna keep it just to the red car, bit of yellow in the background, and plenty of those trees.
So I'm going to get real low and shoot the last 2 and the sky. I'm actually just going to shoot this photo of these bikes.
That'll work. Let's go see.
Okay. For quite a while now I've been on the hunt. I've kind of been saving myself for some vintage cars and we found one.
A lot of the scenarios that we saw around the place were ones that, when photographed, make you think about what's going on with these characters. Or even just the empty shots.
Yeah.
Houses, who's living in those houses.
We originally, when we walked outside of our Airbnb, we decided that we would just shoot 6 photos around where we're staying, and then we'll start walking in for the 4K journey into the heart of Budapest. But we ended up shooting, I think, probably about 16 each before we'd even gotten into the city.
There we have it, 36, 18 from both of us in Budapest. Yeah, it's been a short but sweet little couple of days here. And we're both pretty stoked with the shots that we took. It was good fun. Turned out to be a good thing not going right into the city centre to start shooting, because I think we would have been a little less inspired.
Yeah, definitely.
By the surroundings. There's a lot more foot traffic, but the foot traffic around here was just locals, and
it was lovely.
Yeah, plenty more vlogs on the way.
Yep.
We're off to Romania, and we're both really excited to do. Jake's keen to shoot some digital, I'm keen to shoot some medium format, and we're gonna push ourselves a little bit more, maybe try and give each of the episodes a theme, and that's something where we want to have a play around with. Good stuff.
Let's go check it out.